Hi, this is Gayle with Bernina of Naperville, and welcome to day 3 of Bernina University. So we've had a lot of fun things that we've done so far, and it's only been 2 days, but I want to start off with just telling you, yes, today is embroidery day, which means that you're encouraged to wear something that has embroidery on it, whether it be like an accessory, an item of clothing, a purse, a bag, I don't know, whatever. So I made this pattern from a Luderlo pattern. Now, if you're not familiar, Luderlo is a system of pattern drafting that you take only like a couple measurements of yourself, you have these little patterns, and then you measure out and whatever, and you draft a larger pattern. But then I took my blouse pattern, I photographed it, I brought it into my Bernina embroidery software, Designer Plus, and then kind of played around with what kind of embroidery designs I would want to use, and then I ultimately settled on something that was more of like a quilting design, which I then converted to a BQM file to make it larger so that the stitches would all be the same, and then I stitched it out in the giant hoop on my Bernina 990. I know, that's a lot of information, but some of you were asking about it, and this is definitely going to be a Zoom class for us coming up in the next couple of months. All right, but apart from my blouse, last night we had some fun. So we always go out on a group dinner, just, you know, Chris, myself, and Amy and John. And last night we went to Muriel's in Jackson Square. Now, Muriel's is a traditional New Orleans food and fare. The food was delicious, drinks were delicious, but the real star of the show at this place is their upstairs lounge, their balcony, and the ghost table. I mean, if you blink, you miss it, because I never knew this, but you can actually reserve and sit at the ghost table if you've got the cash, you know what I'm saying? So the ghost table is set, if somebody's not there, it's set for the ghost to eat, so that, you know, they're not wandering all over, and, you know, you keep them contained or whatever the case is. But last night there were actually people sitting at the ghost table with the place setting of the ghost right there. Then after dinner we looked around. We saw Cafe du Monde. We saw one of our most fancy boutiques that I can ever imagine, the Vampire Boutique. And yes, I did buy something, and it was fantastic. The shopkeeper was lovely. I bought a book signed by the owner of the boutique and everything. It was awesome. So, but then, you know, it was time for our Q series karaoke, and no, I didn't sing anything this year. I just, you know, I wasn't feeling it. I was letting all of the others do the singing for me. In fact, I will never sing again after hearing Amanda Street from Hudson Sewing Studio sing. That girl is got some pipes. She sang a Wilson Phillips song for her dad, and it was really so awesome. So happy 70th birthday to Amanda's dad down there in Hudson, Illinois. And then yeah, we all went to bed, and my watch even told me that I had a good night's sleep. So that's a win, don't you think? All right, so I thought today I would take a moment, because a lot of you have been asking about the Q series Q-matic update. So version 4.0 is coming in Q3, and we don't have it yet. I don't have a sample of it to really take you through and show you and everything, but I made a little presentation that might be able to help you kind of sort through what we can expect for this version 4 Q-matic program update that is 100% free to existing Q-matic owners and all future Q-matic owners. So a lot of you have been asking about the Bernina Q-matic 4.0 software that's coming out. Well, good news, it's 100% free, and it's coming in Q3 of 2026. So Bernina will release this new version free to all of you, and it will be loaded on all future Q-matics. So this is going to have a lot of really helpful and useful features. And how will you know when it's available? There will be a notification sent via email when this is available. We will get the email and we will send it out to all of you. We'll put it up on our website. I'll probably have a video telling you and all of these things. But at this time, unfortunately, we can't go home with the new version, but I can tell you what to expect. So there are some interface improvements. So trim and mask now have an option to trim again or mask again without returning to the function. We have improved design catalog that's going to allow you to be able to print and improve your design tags. And we have drag and drop functionality. So that's pretty cool. They've also added a multi-function select option. So we can select more than one thing in our work area at one time. And we have the option to split a design, which is a little bit different than cut. I think some of you might have been kind of rotating things in strange ways to get a cut at a certain spot in the design. And now we have that split option available right in our Q-matic system. We also have an edge-to-edge auto fit, which is going to allow for instant layout of E2E or edge-to-edge designs on an entire project. And there are how-to Q-matic videos at your fingertips loaded right in the system. And there'll be a link to the OESD quilting website. All right, so then there's been a little bit of questions as well about the new Bernette 57 and 59. Now there are two Bernettes. There's the Bernette 57, which is a sewing only machine, and then there is the 59, which is a sewing and embroidery machine, and that one's pretty exciting because it's got a lot of fun features. So let me just, you know what, I don't need to sit here and regurgitate it for you, so let's have a look at these videos that the Bernette team put together to show us all about these two cool, affordable, and very versatile machines.
The Bernette 57 is compact yet powerful. It is threaded in seconds, comes with a large slide-on table, and offers intuitive control via a modern color touchscreen. Features like the click and lift stitch plate and the automatic thread cutter support you while sewing. Every stitch turns out exactly the way you want it, thanks to the slide speed control. With 515 stitches, the B57 offers plenty of options to explore new ideas. Designed to create, made to be loved. Smart, compact, versatile. The Bernette 59 is the easy entry into embroidery, with an app for designs you create yourself. Create and edit stitches and embroidery designs wherever you are with the Stitch Direct app. Send your final designs directly to your B59 and keep full control throughout the embroidery process. Turn your ideas into unique pieces fast and with precision, so they make the biggest possible impact.
All right, kids, that's it for today. I've got to freshen up. I've got to maybe put on a dress, gussy up the makeup, maybe even curl my hair a little bit more. I don't know why I'm doing that. It's so humid. Why bother, right? Because we're heading out on a boat for our Century Club dinner. And we also meet with Ron. He's our new district sales manager. We just love him. Can't wait to see what he's been up to. I haven't barely seen him since we've been here. And I'm sure that there will be more to share with you tomorrow, which, by the way, is our last day. But we're going to be doing a couple more videos even after this one, because there's just so much that I want to share with you that, quite frankly, it's really hard to pack it all into these update videos just because I'm tired. My brain isn't working as well. And we did have fun, though, the other night on that YouTube live that we did. So I think I'll do another one of those either maybe Thursday morning, which would be July 2nd or something like that, just so, you know, if you have a lot of questions and everything and you just, you know, you just can't wait for us to get back to the store, I'll be happy to answer them for you. But in the meantime, don't forget to like peruse around our Bernina of Naperville YouTube channel, because we have tutorials and all kinds of fun stuff there. And if you don't know now how to get there, let me just tell you again, it's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville, where you can like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe. Oh boy, I'm getting exhausted, but I'm always ready to laisser les bon temps rouler, right? Cheers.